Hey guys, Eddie here from Eddie for Life. Today I want to talk about relationships. And I want to ask you something. What are you doing to take your relationship to the next level? Or what are you doing to maintain your current relationship? Let's get into it. COVID-19 has been a slap in the face for everybody, and it's taken a pretty big toll on most people's relationships. I understand. People are stuck at home under lockdown, young kids at home, wife not working, husband not working, or both are working all the time on conference calls, Zoom calls, the kids in and out, not going to school. And yeah, that takes one hell of a toll on a relationship. But let me ask you something. What are you doing for your relationship? Or are you feeling victimized by the situation? That's it, COVID-19, end of the world. I'm not gonna have sex with my wife. She doesn't feel like it, I don't feel like it. We're not even talking that much. Tempers are frayed, they flare up. What the fuck is the matter with you? You can't be a victim. You can't allow yourself to be a victim. You have to be active. You got to take the lead. And I want to explain something so important about personal relationships. The first thing is you have to think about the other side, the other person first. And there's an age-old saying, make your wife a queen, and she'll make you a king, and vice versa, of course. You see, when you start hunkering down and thinking, because of our own thoughts, our small little mind, that it's all about me and only me and me, we start becoming a victim. We think everybody has to understand us. Yeah, but we have to understand other people. And we have to understand and have compassion that not everybody has the awareness. We have to have the awareness. We have to have the compassion first to hear the other side, to take it in, to hold them, to embrace them, to make them feel good. It's up to us to lead, to be leaders in a relationship, not to be a follower, not to be sheep, not to think how much we're a victim. Oh my God, she said this and that. So what? She's your wife, she's your girlfriend, you love her, you care about her. She's the mother of your children. Rise up. Rise up. Go beyond. Look inside yourself. Find the depths of compassion and awareness. And if you don't know how, then start looking around for a teacher, for a mentor, how to do it. It's possible, and it is possible to do it. So that's maybe one of the most important things, to think of the other person, to have compassion. And that's something which is really, really lacking, to see things from the other person's point of view. So, if I may sum it up, don't be a victim. Work on your compassion and your awareness. Think of the other side. Make the other side feel good, because they're going through tough times just like you are. And it's up to you to become the leader, to be the leader, to move things forward and not to become a victim. I hope to have brought you a little bit of value in this area of relationships. If you have any questions, you can always leave them down below in the comments. If you want to hear some more videos of mine, you can always subscribe to the channel, maybe hit the like button, and then maybe hit the bell. And if not, that's fine with me, because honestly, I'm not here except to help others and to give others some value, because I've been given a lot my whole life. So stay safe and work on your relationships. Be strong.